Oh my god. I am bag lady again. I have my usual big bag. I have my iPad as well. And also my lunch bag. And once again, we have a lot of recycling to do. So, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so not flexible. Ugh. So I have a whole bunch of workout playlists. I have like cardio, booty, core, abs, weights, things like that. 좀만 비켜주겠니? Cannot breathe. Today I'm not using a perfume, I'm just using this body spray. It's the Pure Soap Fantasy from Body Fantasies. And I love it. It just makes you smell really clean and fresh, like fresh out of the shower, wearing clothes that are just out of the laundry. So yeah, I love this. It's pretty chilly today. It's like 8 degrees colder than yesterday, so I'm gonna go for my puffer jacket. I have my trusty track pants, and I'm also wearing a thermal inside today. Let's go. Got home and I have a really exciting package waiting for me. This is a vacuum cleaner and I am so excited. I am someone who loves cleaning. I actually used to hate it, but now I love doing it, and more than that, it's a necessity for me to have a good vacuum cleaner because I have 2 cats, so I constantly have cat fur all over the house. So daily vacuuming is an absolute must, and sometimes I even vacuum twice a day. And there's also always like litter particles all over the floor. As a birthday present, one of my best friends, he sent me a vacuum cleaner. He asked me what I wanted and I said I really want a vacuum cleaner. And so he sent me the one that I wanted. I think this is like the most excited I've ever been to clean. So, yay! long week, or what seemed like a super long week. I feel like the first week back at work after a long weekend or Christmas, New Year's, or like 설날, 추석, Korean holidays is always so hard to get through because you're in vacation mode and you don't feel like working, and it's so hard to get back into the grind and everyday routine. But we managed to power through, and it is Friday. Just lose the will to do anything and just lie on the floor, because that is what I'm doing right now. I feel so tired today. I don't know why, but I only went to work like 4 days this week, so I shouldn't be this tired.
He's a genius.
Started feeling a little chilly, like I had the chills last night before going to bed, but I didn't really think much of it. I thought it was just because of like fatigue and PMS, but I woke up at like 7 today and my whole body was aching. It just felt like someone was holding my whole body down, and my throat was feeling sore, so I was like, oh shit, I'm probably gonna get sick. So I rushed straight to the clinic and I got meds prescribed, and I'm also getting this IV right now. Yeah, I knew that this was going to happen sooner or later because it's just flu season and literally everyone around me is getting sick. People in my office, there's always people in the subway who are coughing, but they don't have a mask on. So I just knew it was a matter of time. to sleep because I am feeling really crap. I have got type A influenza and I'm filming in my cat because right now it just looks super rough. But pretty much I went to the doctor because I was feeling so feverish this morning and it took me a lot of strength to even go to the doctor's. Now, mind you, the doctor's office is literally like a 2-minute walk from my apartment, so it is not far at all, but I just felt so dizzy, and when you have a raging fever, it is so hard to even walk straight, much less get out of bed. So yeah, I managed to make it, but there were so many people waiting. I think there were like 11 people in front of me, and I was having really bad nasal congestion. It took me like almost 2 hours from everything from signing myself in to getting my medication. So yeah, but they told me that I had to do an influenza test because if my symptoms have gotten this bad in 2 days, then probably means that it's either COVID or influenza. And they did the influenza test, which is just like the PCR test for COVID. They will stick that swab up your nose, and pretty much the result was positive. I got prescribed Tamiflu, which is the medication that is prescribed for influenza, since obviously it is not like the common cold. And I took that with regular meds, and then I just passed out, and I finally feel like very slightly better, like maybe 3% better than I did this morning. Yeah, you guys, literally influenza is no joke. This is my first time ever getting it. Really, it just feels like I have been hit by a truck and slammed on the floor like multiple times. Like that's how it feels right now. That's how my whole body feels. I have literally no strength to do anything. Even just like walking down the stairs to go to the bathroom is so much work for me. And the symptoms will suddenly just get really bad. Like you guys saw my vlog on Saturday, I could walk just fine. I didn't have a fever. I just thought it was a simple cold, and I got like injections and medicine and thought I was gonna be fine. But at night was when the fever and chills started, and then my throat started getting even more swollen, and then nasal congestion started today. So the symptoms are crazy. And yeah, influenza is no joke, you guys. And the best thing you can do is just stay away from people because it is highly contagious. Take your meds, stay warm, and just stay at home. I think I can sum it up by saying that I would not wish influenza even on my worst enemy, because when it's really bad, it literally you literally feel like you'll be better off dead than having to suffer through it, because it feels like it's never gonna get better, and even right now it feels like that. It is almost 9 p.m. right now, and I just took the best nap ever, or should I just say the best sleep ever, because I've been pretty much sleeping all day for the past 3 days. I am feeling a little better. I'm not going to say much better because I still have all the symptoms. My throat is still quite sore. My nose is like blocked. But my fever, I feel like, has gone down because I don't feel dizzy anymore. But yeah, the meds definitely helped. The Tamiflu is awesome. And yeah, I just had some porridge. I completely cleared it. I'm just having some shine muscats now. And even the fact that my appetite has kind of come back shows that I'm getting better, because up till yesterday I didn't feel like eating anything at all. I just kind of like forced the food in. They're not kidding when they say that influenza you're really hit with all of the symptoms. So you have sore throat, runny nose,
fever, headache, muscle pain, everything. It's just like it all hits you all at once. And yeah, today when I was at the doctor's office, my nose was like running like a freaking faucet, and up till yesterday I didn't even have a runny nose at all in my symptoms. So yeah, it was crazy. I had to keep going to the counter to get tissues. At one point I felt like my throat was bleeding because it was so dry and painful. Every time I swallowed, it just felt like someone was stabbing me there. I don't even know if I mentioned this yet, but my fever was 39.9 degrees Celsius. So my whole body was literally shaking. Even when I was waiting in the waiting area for the doctor's appointment. Yeah, like it took so much willpower to not like collapse on the floor. I was really trying to hold it together. The wait was long enough already, and when I saw the doctor, I just wanted to like freaking hug her because she was like a savior to me.
But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. It's been around 2 days since that last clip, and I'm definitely feeling a lot better, and I will see you in my next video fully recovered. Hope you guys all have a great day and a great week wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.